Going on there, people of YouTube and Facebook and whatnot. Just thought I'd bring you along for a quick little Saturday afternoon. We're just picking up this bobtail truck. A great customer of ours. They actually hit a deer earlier, and so they got some coolant leak going on and dent in the grill. So we're just gonna hook this thing from the rear and take it over to our shop. It's Memorial Day weekend, so they're not in a huge hurry. We'll get after it probably Tuesday. So thanks for coming along. I'll show you the damages. Don't look like much. The grill's just kind of bent in, but it is leaking a fair amount of fluid there. So they made the right call to have us come pick it up rather than keep driving it and cause grief. So we'll get this thing hooked up here and I'll bring it back. Old Gamble Equipment, local guy we know, looking sharp today. Pulling some fuel tankers here for offense. Yeah. Alright, just had a chat with Gamble's. Good kid. Got our axle chains here. Let's go put them on. Alright, can't do it one-handed. Alright, got them on. These work well. You just hook right there on the suspension, hook up to the frame so you don't stretch the bags off. And you just give her a little lift. Pretty slick. Give the steering wheel a quick tie, get down the road. And by down the road, I mean right there. The shop's on the other side of the road, so we'll take her back there and dump it for fixing. All right, there's the old gal, old Freightliner Classic. With the Peterbilt in tow. Let's get back to the shop. Just hopped in the truck, noticed our light band headlamp. These guys sent us a headlamp with one or two of them and said try it out, and we found that they work really good in a tow truck because you need both your hands usually when you're hooking a truck up and whatnot. So you slap that thing on in the nighttime. It's got a big light across here. It also has like a flood style beam right there. Pretty happy with Lightband. If you need a little headlamp, go check them out. Okay, that was pretty simple. We made it back to the shop. If you haven't watched before, this is our pad. This is where we spend all of our time questioning our life decisions. So thanks for following along. It wasn't much, but it was just a little kind of day in the life, Saturday afternoon when we go pick something up in town. So after the long weekend, we'll get this thing fixed up and back on the road for them.